It's a transporting place. You know, it's where you oh, I went to Barsana, I saw this. You ask someone, oh, I went to Barsana. What will they say? I saw this, I saw that, I heard this, I met this Baba, that Baba. Pujari gave me Mahaprasad. He gave me a garland, whatever. You know, show and tell or whatever. But who tells, oh, I went to Barsana and I sat in front of Lara Lilal and I was chanting and praying to her, please, I have heard so many lilas and I've read so many lilas about you in Barsana. Please, I want to see one of those lilas. I'm here now in your place. This is the meaning of parikrama. How many people do parikrama like this? How many people are told like this? Here, some guide will come and say, oh, this is this, this is that. Okay, you're going to say this is this, this is that. Okay, now sit for a half hour. I'm not speaking. Chant japa. Now pray that some lila comes in your mind. This is the real parikrama.